BaytBushra. I'm Bushra, and this is our vlog.
Wow, oh my god, so versatile.
I honestly did.
Whoa, whoa, whoa,
Did you
whoa.
We are in Brighton,
England.
England.
We're traveling for the first time to Europe.
So we're gonna do foodie things, and we're gonna do just like cool Europe, like, you know, very
Literally,
yeah.
this is giving me the worst shadows on my face.
So it's giving me bad shadows too. No bad shadows there.
Yeah, because you've stuck it into the ceiling.
I know.
Without you.
Okay, Bushra.
We're gonna try these biscuits
It's time.
because we're in London. We're in England. We say biscuits.
And this is, but yeah, it says cookies on the box.
We're gonna try these cookies. And
She fixes herself.
do you want? Do you see what's in it? We picked these up earlier today. This is the one I wanted to try. It's the double chocolate. This one's milk chocolate. This one's macadamia, I
My
think.
favorite. Listen, I'm really good.
Oh, wow.
At this. Hold up. The game is
Yeah.
you're gonna try all the cookies.
Are you kidding?
No.
We're just gonna end up with like half eaten cookies in this box.
No, yeah, we can't. 'Cause the people have to eat
Other people have to eat it, so.
Why can't we just
I
get
eat-
a plate and then cut each one in like fours and then
If we were in our house, yeah, but we're not in our house. We have a host family, and shout out to our host family. They're super fantastic, amazing, beautiful people, mashallah. You wanna try this now?
I don't want with
Make
chocolate.
sure you feed me.
Chocolate.
Oh, that's yummy.
It's good, right? Baba likes
Coconut.
oatmeal. Yeah, the coconut's in the bottom. Oh my god, you're making them all ugly. That's really good one. You want to try it? And these ones are biscottis. Homemade, handmade
Those
biscottis.
are like nothing I've ever eaten
Those are
before.
so good.
These are better than those.
Because they're made with love.